Tēnā tātou te whānau, ko te Raukura tēnei, ke konei au, hei whakautu I tai pātai, e pāna ki te rongoa, te COVID-19. Cheer! If all our whānau are vaccinated, it just means a safer environment for everyone. My only advice is it's better to be safe than sorry. So go get your vaccination whānau. Our whānau at Whaimai have given us all the information needed, given us every opportunity possible. So really it just comes down to us to take that little bit of time out of our day to go get vaccinated, kia pai noa te iwi. And remember, we get to skip that line too. Those who know me know that my whānau are my biggest motivation, so I wanted to get the vaccine to be safe for my little bro, my little sis. And when your mum's the biggest advocate for this line of mahi, it's kind of hard to say no. Regardless of vaccination choice, just keep doing what we're doing, look out for one another, love each other, and we'll get through this together.